guys, this is the airdrop that I'm currently participating in, and as you guys can see, I've currently made a total balance of 709.52 USD. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olive Nkiriote and this is Olive Nkiriote rebranded, also known as ONR. Let me tell you guys, this is a video that I have been meaning to do. I found out about this idea some time back. So as the title suggests, how to make 70 shillings every day.
Oh my god! Wow!
Guys, every day. And before we get into the meat of this video, I want you to smash that like button, guys, to subscribe, guys. Subscribe, it motivates me, it gives me psych, and it helps us grow. So please guys, subscribe and join the ONR family. If you have been following me on this channel for a while, or if you have stumbled on my cryptocurrency playlist, then you're aware that I highly believe, trust, and invest in cryptocurrency. I have a whole playlist with 20 videos, guys. Please, I'm begging you. I don't know how I should beg you. Please guys, watch those videos. Those videos have a lot of content, so much knowledge that can help you set up yourself into the cryptocurrency world. However, guys, please just listen to me a bit. Please guys, sometimes you need to trust what I'm saying, because I'm not saying it for no reason, because I want you guys to mocha with me. I have 3 classes available for purchase. In case you've watched my videos and you still feel like you want more, please watch the video launching the ONR Crypto Bundle course. In that video, you will learn about the 3 classes that are currently available. There is beginner, there is intermediate, and there is expert. I have broken down in detail what each classes entail, and at the end of the video, there are thousands of reviews from my students as to how the course was amazing. And to be honest guys, I don't coerce them to tell me good things, they just tell me good things, okay? Unable to learn crypto, please buy the classes. Beginner is 2,500 bob, and you will learn everything on my YouTube channel plus more. You will get a 2-hour video recording, me explaining to you in detail. You will get slides in that package, and it is a live class that was edited and recorded, so you will hear what other students were asking in the class, and you can use this to help yourself understand blockchain better. 2, intermediate class. In the intermediate class, guys, this is the class that if you already know beginner basics of crypto, please buy this class, please. And I'm not just saying it, I'm saying it. The intermediate class is just 3,500. In this class, I share with you websites that I buy my cryptocurrency using M-Pesa, and I've already shared some for free on my channel. But if you want the one I currently use right now, because I've shared Paxful, I've shared local cryptos, and there's others that I use that I have not shared on the channel that are so much better. So if you want to know the ones that I use, how I use them, how you can set up your accounts, how you can buy your crypto, swap between all the other coins on CoinMarketCap, and I mean any coin that you want, guys, I teach how you can buy that coin in that class. I teach you how to transfer those coins into your wallet. I teach you how to store your crypto safely. Please, my God, buy that class. The 3rd class is the expert class. The expert class is 3,500 bob as well. In this particular class, you have learned how to buy your coins. You've learned how to store your coins safely. I am now teaching you how to earn using those coins. I'm teaching you things to do with entry point, investment styles, exit strategies, staking, how to earn more returns on your coins. That is where the meat on doubling your money comes through. Okay, so personally, if you know beginner, just go to intermediate and expert. If you're comfortable with the platform you're buying your cryptos at, you don't have to do the intermediate. But I honestly think, and trust me on this, guys, you need to watch intermediate. However, if you want to know the secrets I've used to grow my money in cryptocurrency, guys, the expert class has everything. Everything. That class has 62 slides of knowledge. And guess what? You have them to keep. I am not taking them anywhere. They are yours forever. So, guys, I beg you, with all the energy and heart in my mind and soul, please, guys, invest in my crypto classes. And you know why? Not just for me to make money and for ONR to grow. It's because I want you to grow. Most of the time I get people saying all of these things are still difficult to understand. And even after I create a solution, somehow people don't feel like jumping onto the solution. When I release a video next year, guys, of how I made millions in cryptocurrency, please don't be on the comment section saying, why did you tell us? Mbona hukutuambia? I've been saying it now and over the whole year and no one is doing something. Only a few. Out of 10,000, less than 100 have reached out to me to learn about crypto personally through my classes, through my consultations. I don't understand how people want to be helped. I don't. Anyway, we move in and move on because this is life. People grab opportunities according to their problems, and you cannot judge the speed at which people use to grab the opportunity. I have a picture right now on the screen, and this picture is showing you guys 15 ways to earn in crypto. In my classes, I teach you hodling for capital gain because I teach you how to buy and to hodl. So to hodl means hold on dear life, HODL. In reality, it just means holding your cryptocurrencies for a longer period of time to acquire capital gains over a period of time. Just like how you buy stocks, hodling is the same mentality. Okay, now we move to the phase 2 of my journey. So phase 2 of my journey is mining and airdrop. Crypto goes far and wide. I am only going to speak about airdrops in this particular video. I am going to work on mining soon enough. Like I said, guys, I am starting a phase 2 on my channel. So phase 1 has 20 videos on the playlist. You guys can check it out. We are now starting phase 2, where I'm going to start teaching you guys new things in crypto. I want to show you guys and explain to you guys what airdrops are. An airdrop in the cryptocurrency business or world is a marketing stunt that involves sending coins or tokens to wallet addresses in order to promote awareness of a new virtual currency. So essentially, guys, in layman's language, airdrops are cryptocurrency dropped literally from the air into your wallet, and they are free. Airdrops are essentially free cryptocurrency that is gifted to wallet addresses or to people to promote more of that token. Okay, so let me give you guys a rundown of why airdrops exist, because you're probably asking yourself, okay, Olive, this is free money, but we know there's nothing like free lunch. So why exactly do crypto airdrops exist? They exist because of certain reasons. So I've already told you guys, airdrops are essentially a marketing stunt to promote the coin. So they're giving you free money to hype the coin, because anytime there's something called free, people tend to share it a lot. You probably share it with your friends. You probably tell people, guys, there's an airdrop happening, let's get on it. Okay, so that is one of the reasons why airdrops essentially exist, create awareness. The second reason why crypto airdrops exist is they reward their users. What this means is there are certain airdrops that I've been following, and you will hear them saying, if you hold XRP, we are going to reward you Songbird. This is an example of an airdrop, Flare Finance. If you can see here, the airdrop starts 5th November, and the green box basically shows you what I'm trying to tell you. It's rewarding its users for holding a certain coin. Flare Finance, which is the coin, is airdropping a total of 40 million Flare tokens to Songbird and wrapped Songbird holders. You'd have to buy Songbird or wrapped Songbird and buy it before or by November 5th, 2021, 7 p.m. CET, and eligible holders will receive free Flare. Now the Flare ticker is EXFI. So the Flare at a ratio of 1 Flare token is 235 Songbird tokens. An example of rewarding the users and how a coin can be airdropped to users holding maybe a certain token. Another thing is they would reward users based on the platform. So for example, Uniswap, which is one of the most successful crypto airdrops, anyone who was using their platform was rewarded with 400 Uni tokens or Uniswap tokens. And if you look at Uniswap right now, one token is like $20. So if you are just using the platform and they rewarded you with 400 tokens, 410 times $20, there's a good chunk of change. However, like I said, this is one of the most successful airdrops, meaning most of the airdrops from my knowledge, guys, they don't look like they'll give you a lot of money. And the ones that will give you a good chunk of change are not really like out there. They want to attract investment. So basically, the more the hype is built around the token, the more users, then the more purchases, then the more people trying to hodl the coin. So all that eventually creates a whole investment for them. Another one is learn more about their community. So actually, one of the airdrops I'm going to show you guys, and that I've actually titled as the title of the video, how to make 70 bob per day. One of the marketing stunts that I've learned with their airdrops is they're trying to learn more about the community. So you will see there are some that will tell you fill a survey or go to our page and answer a few questions. Like they're trying to learn more about you, like who is in this community of our token, and from this they can learn how they can improve their project, what you people are leaning to, because they can ask you what coin do you hodl the most. Then you're like, oh, so this is the coin these guys are drawn more to, so such things. So basically it gives them information about yourself, it gives them information about your crypto habits, gives them information about maybe even their project in general, like what can they do better and stuff like that. So they will do an airdrop to learn about their users, to therefore build a better product. So these are the main reasons as to why crypto airdrops exist. And actually the airdrop that I'm going to show you guys is an airdrop, guys. There's a potential good chunk of us making money, and I'm going to say potential because it's not 100% sure but there's a potential of us making money, and I'm going to show you guys that in a bit. So those are the 5 reasons that I've come across about airdrops, and I would like to share with you guys different types of airdrops and how exactly these airdrops come into play for you and I to make money. So like I said, guys, this is phase 2 of my crypto journey. I'm also learning. It's very interesting to see that there are actually ways people can get free money. It's going to be a series, meaning in the upcoming videos I'll show you places where you can find airdrops and we can actually participate in an airdrop together, and I can show you guys how you can participate in these airdrops, how you can potentially get the money, things you should look out for or avoid. The thing is, most of them are quite scammy and spammy, and let's just be honest, anytime there's free money, there's someone in between there who is trying to scam. I have showed you, I've explained to you what airdrops are, I've told you why they exist. I'm going to just give you guys a very small sneak peek of my airdrop. Guys, this is the airdrop that I'm currently participating in, and as you guys can see, I've currently made a total balance of 709.52 USD. So like I said, guys, this is an airdrop. An airdrop is essentially free money for either a task or holding a coin, answering questions. It's essentially a marketing stunt like we just talked about in this video. So chances of the company just deciding to not give us this money, it's very high, but it's not bad to participate. I mean, right? So I'm going to show you guys in the next video. You don't have to put any money. No, it doesn't. It's an airdrop, and that's why I'm teaching you guys, so that you can also try them out. And if we actually withdraw this money, you better come back on my comment section and be like, Olive changed my life, okay? So, but anyway, I'm gonna talk about this in the next video, so guys, please stay tuned, and please share this video, and just stay tuned for airdrops video part 2. I really want you guys to stay till part 2, because in part 2 we are going to talk about types of airdrops. I'm going to show you the website that you'll be able to access the airdrop, so that you get into this, you know, money making train, the only ONR money making train. Otherwise, thank you guys so much. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe down below, like this video if you enjoyed it, share it with your friends, and guys, see you on the next one. Bye.